We will now go over the cost optimization features Komodor provides. We'll start with the cost overview page. This page provides a high-level executive summary of your total monthly cost trends, and most importantly, the active savings, or in other words, savings Komodor help you realize, as well as the potential savings, which are estimated based on your actual usage over time. We will now move to the cost allocation page. This shows the cost allocation across your clusters over the last 30 days. This report can be grouped by cluster, namespace, and service. You can view CPU and memory usage, the cost, and the optimization score, which indicates how well optimized those resources are. Moving to the workload right-sizing. The most common source of waste is overprovisioned workloads. Developers frequently request excess resources just in case, or they guesstimate the requirements of their applications. This leads to massive unnecessary spending. Manually fixing this is nearly impossible. Komodor automates this with workload right-sizing. This page has three main sections: a summary, where you can see the total potential savings, as well as the active savings and the allocation chart over time. The potential savings table shows you all workloads with potential savings that can be unlocked. Here you can either view the recommendations and apply them manually, so you can see the consumption versus the recommendations over time and decide to apply that. Or you can set up an automated policy, which essentially allows you to use the Komodor automated right-sizing, which will just act for you. So it will reduce the toil of actually managing and modifying all those workloads. You can easily configure the policy. You can set various different guardrails in order to configure and set up how Komodor can operate within your cluster. Our recommendations are based on real-life usage, ensuring we never sacrifice performance over availability. The last part of this report is the active savings table, which shows you the workloads that are already automated and are continuously right-sized by Komodor. You can easily see the impact, a clear downward trend in cost and a running total of the monthly savings. This is set and forget optimization done safely. Next, we'll talk about pod placement. Autoscalers like Carpenter and cluster autoscalers are powerful, but they get stuck due to unevictable pods. Those are pods with various constraints that prevents the autoscaler from scaling down nodes that they run on. The Kubernetes scheduler spreads those pods when scheduled across the existing nodes in the cluster. This creates a situation where you have a lot of fragmented nodes, preventing the autoscaler from scaling down underutilized nodes. Komodor Intelligent Pod Placement solves this. We identify these stuck pods and intelligently group them onto a dedicated set of nodes. This frees up the rest of your cluster, allowing your autoscaler to operate without restrictions and scale down effectively. We see this on the allocation versus capacity graphs, which grows over time as nodes are better packed and allocated. Before enabling this capability, our simulation shows you the potential savings you can achieve on a cluster level and how it translates into cost. For clusters who already have this feature activated, we show CPU and memory usage before and after Komodor bin packing and the resulting dollar amount saved. We're not replacing your autoscaler, we're making it smarter, unlocking up to 40% in additional savings. To summarize, Komodor is not a FinOps tool. We are a Kubernetes management platform rooted in reliability. Every cost recommendation is cross-referenced with our deep understanding of your cluster's health and performance. We'll help you walk the fine line between cost efficiency and operational stability, so you can reduce spend with confidence while reducing toil.